Good morning, this is me Ali Raza, and today I wanted to discuss about local SEO. What is local SEO? Local SEO is basically a process of improving search engine visibility for local businesses to get higher rankings, to get improved rankings. Ideally, it is suitable for businesses around, for people who are looking for something near them. For instance, if you are looking for a doctor near you, you must be searching on doctors near me. If you're looking for food, you must be searching food near me. If you're looking for an electrician, plumber, you got a sudden issue with your electricity in your house, you're going to search for electrician near me. So it's going to be a local search. Usually whenever you try to rank a website, either you rank for a country, either you rank for a worldwide, but in certain scenarios when you're providing exclusive services to particular area, local SEO is there to help you. So which is why local SEO has its own benefits. Let's move on to see what kind of a benefits local SEO has. So local SEOs can give you better rankings over the national results. Even someone has, let's say if there is someone who is a national doctor and who promotes his website all around the country, but when you search for a local SEO, when you do such a doctor near me, your result will appear above his result, because you are doing local SEO. So local SEO is good. So in case, even if you have even a cars station, even if you are producing cars and selling it locally you can promote it for a car shop near me. So this can results. This can be very good. Let's see some more queries. For instance, if you got an issue with your locks, you can search for locksmith near me, doctor near me, pizza near me, petrol pumps near me, grocery shops near me. I told you, like electrician near me, mobile shops near me, a list of mobile shops repairing near me. So these are the exact buying customers. Now it's all depend on if your particular query has a local searches or not. If you have a local searches, you can do local SEO and get stand out of the rest. You can see here the examples. These are the regular results and these are the local results. Local results, what is the advantage of local results? You can see the reviews along with the local results. You can see the reviews plus the location and the phone number, which give an added advantage to your location. You can see these are all the local results for a term Seattle pizza. And you can see that the local results often impact results. Why? It's going to be changed from country to country, area to area. Since you are a doctor for instance, in New York, your result won't be shown in Washington. Your result will not be shown in London, UK, because you are not providing service in UK. Rather, you're providing in New York, America. So this is the unique advantage of local results. Even Google prefer local results over national results because they give the accurate result to the user. Because user is not interested in a doctor who lives in London, provides service in London, but rather a doctor who lives exactly in his location, and that would be preferred. Even in New York, the particular sub areas can be more beneficial. If you are providing to certain areas, that's going to be more awesome, and you can shortlist your location accordingly. You can see specific location. Now I'm not searching a country, but rather more customized results. And you can see more customized results are coming for me. So the practice of improving the quantity and quality of traffic from search engines with a geographic intent is actually local SEO. And the question is how to improve your local SEO ranking. Firstly, add your website in Google business listings, Google webmaster tools. In the Google webmaster tool, you have to write your own country preference. Your own country preference. Get reviews for your listing, asking customers, newbies, and even people. Usually you get natural reviews. If you provide natural services, you can get very good natural reviews. You don't even need to ask people. But in case if you ask, it's not a bad idea about asking the visitors on getting local reviews. Adding citations, submit in Google listing directories. There are business listing directories, local directories, and wherever possible, and some optimization for your Google Map listing. It's also called Google My Business. There's an optimization if you also regular posts. For instance, updating events, or any unexpected change. If you keep on regularly updating your GMB profile, that is also beneficial. If you keep on updating your timings, your perfect timings, this is going to be very helpful. Your location should be linked with GMB. Let me add more. Let me even add accurate Google Map listing linked with Google My Business. That's also be a very good way to improve your rankings. I was just discussing with for a pizzas, and I just show like you can search if you are providing pizzas, you can search pizzas near me. If my country is Pakistan and I'm searching for Lahore, you can search best pizzas in Lahore, and in particular pinpoint going to best pizzas in Gulbarg, Lahore. Gulbarg is an area, and even more Gulbarg 2, Gulbarg 3. You can write this. So your product name, service plus location plus area or city plus state. Target these words. These are your prime keywords, and this will even help you to outrank even international or big competitors in your area. You can all you just need to do is you have to select your product name plus location name. For instance, if you are a plumber and you are providing services in Hyderabad, you can say plumber main market Hyderabad, India. So if this is your keyword, you can say plumber main market Hyderabad, India. This is a very customized, because you are also adding the area. Now this is your service. Let me even get it more straight. This is your area. Your city, and this is your. That's a perfect formula. Service, area, city, and country. Area can be your office location, and if you are actually willing to come, sometimes there is a requirement of some people have to visit your shop to get a service done. For instance, if they have to get if they want to get their mobile repaired, they have to come to your shop. So for that, area is very necessary. But in case if you are willing to come to anywhere in your city, you can remove the area and just target service plus city plus country. So this can even result more better for you. Okay. One thing I told once: who are your best teachers? Your competitors are your best teachers, because they can teach you the best thing about you, where you are losing and how you can improve. They are your best teachers. So just Google your competitors and find out who else is providing your service and what are their key points, and you are going to learn a lot from your competitors, how the landing page is working. I personally, if you have a website, you need to have a lead form on your website on the main page without scrolling down. Even the scrolling is actually, I believe the laziest person in the world is your customer, and we need to give him or her an urge to take an action. So I think the process should be relatively easy. Even for the contact form, he or she don't need to scroll down. It should be visible on the front, and that is going to be very ideal and can bring very good immense results. So having a contact form in a website is also very good for Google Map listing. A very good strategy for Google not Google Map, Google for Google My Business and local SEO. Okay, like you have to evaluate your competitors, and you can do wonders with it. For instance, let me do a search and see what's coming near me. Pizza near me. Now, when I search term pizza near me, I just got to know 3 shops near me. Okay, these are actually the live results. And you can see so if I just click on this more places, I'm going to see more reviews. And you know the beauty of local listings is, like, they are showing on the top even above the regular results, which makes them unique, and which is better than the traditional SEO in this scenario. So I hope you like my video. I discussed about a few key strategies on how why local SEO, and how it's beneficial for you, and how you can do local SEO. In case if you're willing to hire me for local SEO, I'm more than welcome to work with you. All you need to do is you need to figure out in contact section. I have given a link from where you can reach me and buy my service. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, do share it. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions or concerns, you are more than welcome to ask in the comment section, and I will be happy to respond it. So thank you so much for coming. Thank you and bye bye.